Okay, YouTube, this is the last time the Biohazard will be sitting here. It's going to go over here. I'm going to swap the frame because that frame is busted. It's no good. It finally broke again, and every time you put the belt back onto the transmission, since the frame is bent and one side is broke, it just pops the belt on and off and on and off. And even you just got to rev it sometimes and it pops it off. And it's not the belt is super tight. I've put extra guides, all this kind of stuff, trying to fix it instead of actually really fixing it, and it's not fixed. So I'm going to be swapping to a Craftsman frame with a 2nd gen steering on it. Going to take all the wiring off of it because I don't need it. Only thing I need is a kill wire at the moment. And yeah, it should all fit. Should. Gonna take the stuff off of here that I don't need, like the deck lever and the wiring and a few other gadgets, I guess. And then I'm gonna just start taking this thing apart. And once I get everything unbolted, move the wheels over and then move the parts over. So I'm going to start assessing the situation and get back to you. Okay, so I've gotten all the stuff off that I won't need for the Biohazard, like the wiring and the deck lever and all the deck attachments. And I'm about ready to start taking stuff off this thing and putting it on here. Oh, and good thing is, I won't need to drill a hole for the kill switch because there's already a switch on here which was for the headlights. So gonna start taking that thing apart, and I think when all the major stuff is taken apart, I'm gonna pull the wheels off and switch them on over, and then that way I can just pick it on up and put it over here on this thing. So, and the transmission I'm putting in is not the transmission out of that. It's actually over here. It's either a Spicer or a Peerless. I don't know really. It's one I was trying to sell, but no one bought it last year, and it works good, so what the hell. That will go in there. Replace the crappy one that's in it. Alright, back to work. Nice Mountain Dew. Gotta get those sponsors in, right? So anyway, this is what the Biohazard's down to now. I don't know how I'm going to get this off. Charlie mentioned Easy Out. I've never used the Easy Out before, but got it pretty torn down. This bolt back here is giving me a problem, so I'm going to get the Sawzall and just chop it off. And then I need to get the motor loose. And go ahead and start putting stuff over here. I gotta get some transmission brackets and fix the back and lay the body on it and see how it's gonna look, and figure out how to get the hood mounted, because as you can see, these frames are different. But look, crappy frame, good frame. Oh yeah.